What is up, everybody? MTmotoRIDER here, and today I'm testing out some new microphones. So if you follow my channel, you know that I went to the Tail of the Dragon for a second time a couple weekends ago. While I was up there, the microphones that I had inside my helmet decided to go out. I had no in-helmet audio, or no talking audio or whatever. I ordered 2 of those Purple Panda mics. I just got everything set up today. I actually got the mics in the mail a few days ago, but I was waiting on a helmet mount for my GoPro so I can mount it on my chin, but like in the middle. I was using the Giant Squid microphones, which you can get on Amazon. Don't get me wrong, they are great microphones. The ones I used I had for a long time, but they finally went out on me, and they're around, I think, $40 each. But I went with the Purple Panda this time because I've heard really good things about those, and they are also $40. But you get a whole lot more with the Purple Panda mics than you do the Giant Squid mics. You get a couple of clips, like to clip it on your shirt, because I mean it is a lapel mic. You get some TRS adapters. You get a extension cable to make it longer, and you also get a little like felt bag to carry everything in, which is pretty nice. But yeah, it really sucked that my microphones went out while I was up at the Dragon, so I was not able to do any kind of moto vlogging. I mean, I still rode around and recorded with the GoPro, but I was using the actual GoPro microphone and the wind noise and all. I mean, it wasn't too bad, but it's still not as good as having a mic in the helmet. If you follow the channel, I think I uploaded at least one video so far where we went riding on the Cherahalla Skyway. So that is the audio I had to work with. I'm hoping that everything sounds a little bit better inside this new Shoei helmet, where I did have everything inside the Scorpion. I'm not even sure how everything sounds inside this new helmet. So I'm hoping the fact that it's a whole lot quieter will help out with the audio as well. I just wanted to do this quick video, let you guys know that my microphones went out, so I wasn't able to do really any moto vlogging while I was at the Tail of the Dragon, and to let you guys know I got some new mics, so I'm back in business. Hopefully this all sounds good and I can upload this video. But if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.